Your focus is gone. You sit for hours but get nothing done. It's not your fault. Your brain has been hijacked. Every time you try to work, your mind drifts. You switch between apps, tabs, and notifications every few minutes. This isn't just bad habit, it's dopamine overload. Modern technology constantly feeds your brain tiny rewards, likes, scrolls, videos. So when you sit to focus, your brain wants more dopamine, not deep work. You feel frustrated, guilty, maybe even start calling yourself lazy. But the truth is, you're not lazy. Your environment is destroying your attention. Part 1, Dopamine Detox. Start with a 24-hour dopamine detox. No social media, no YouTube, no mindless scrolling. For one day, do only boring tasks, reading, walking, writing. This resets your brain's dopamine baseline, so you can focus again. Part 2, Deep Work Ritual. Now build a focus ritual. Same time, same place, no phone. Start with 30 minutes of deep work daily and track your progress. Use tools like Pomodoro timers and app blockers to protect your focus time. If this video hit you hard, you know what to do. Comment Focus Reboot if you're ready to reset your brain. And if you're serious about building discipline, subscribe, because here we train the mind to win.